Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Victor Onox and this is Rockwizz Pictures. And guess what? This is the first ever YouTube series on Rockwizz Pictures. And this channel is created to give you tips and amazing tutorials on videography, on photography, on editing and also on filmmaking. So if you've got any question bothering you in the world of filmmaking, videography, photography, editing, you can throw us your question right in the comment section below and we'll be right out to give answers to this question. And who knows, we can even make a video on these questions you just throw at us. And also, if you're new to this channel, please help me click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon close to it so you don't get to miss out on any videos I'll be rolling out on this channel. My name is Victor Onox and this is Rockwizz Pictures. Thanks and bye for now.